So I'm just trying to stream and trying to see if messages are going to everyone or not. Let's see. Hi YouTube and Twitch. And okay, messages are going to Twitch and YouTube both. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, so last time when we stopped, we were working on particularly command processing. So this required like for us to implement RDB, and yeah, even though it's not mentioned in the exercise, but it really required RDB to be implemented. Okay, now moving on to the next stage. This is awk with no commands. Basically, what we need to do here is we have to send some offset, like how many number of bytes of command have been processed by the replica. So if we look at the errors, right, the error happened because no content received, and if we look at the stack trace which we enabled, it's happening at yeah, so we are getting some binary input from some place, handling input, which is a kind of binary. So in our code, the assumption is that like if we look for handling input, not in the log but somewhere in lib.rs, which is here, we write the input and then we match on that input, and we never assume, we never think that our input would be binary. We always assume it to be an array. So that's a weird part. That's where it was failing. So we'll try to solve that, because currently what we have seen here is, just a second. Okay, yeah, I have to stop in the middle for a while. I'll be back in few minutes. So the it is still ongoing, but I'll be on mute. AFK for 5 minutes. All right, so we are back again. Right, so where were we? We were looking into the error, like it's happening at the binary place. So basically it's happening here. So let's see, if we ever get a binary input, one thing will be for sure, that there won't be multiple arguments, there would only be one argument here. So there would be only one command, and arguments will be empty something. So I can say it's a command, and I'm not sure what command it would be, but it would be a command without any arguments. And how would that look like? Basically I can just copy paste whatever we are doing here, and instead of arguments we can just send an empty vec. I think this argument is supposed to be a vec dq, so I can just say vec dq from empty vector, vec dq from an empty vector, and this should solve our issue. I think this should solve our issue. But let's check again. So the exact command that will be received by the replica will look something like this. And what I'm interested in checking is what command did I receive. So maybe we can just take this whole array, like we have handling input of binary as a, this is the whole string that we have, and I just wish to copy it. It's so difficult to copy it. So let's see how what it looks like. So we have it copied here. So this is the whole array, and I wish to convert it to ASCII. So let's see. Binary array to ASCII. I don't wish to do it one by one. I just wish to put a lot of decimal numbers here, and I hope I can put them by spacebar.